Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ROG Phone 3 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, we have to open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, so let's tap on it, and all you have to do right now is simply tap on this three dots icon. At least they should appear right here, so let's tap on it. Choose the history, and as you can see here, we've got the list of previously visited websites. If you'd like to remove only one of it, just tap on this X button right next to it, and as you can see, it simply disappears. But if you'd like to remove advanced data, just tap on clear browsing data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we can remove browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and after tapping on advanced, we can also remove saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. So let me pick, for example, the saved passwords and autofill form data. Now they are marked, so they will be removed. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. If you are ready, tap on clear data, and as you can see, the history is empty, so it means that we successfully removed all the browsing history. So actually that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your ASUS ROG Phone 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.